Welcome back, my lovely students. I hope you all are very fine. This is the last video of chapter 8. Okay, we had discussed a lot of things in this chapter, isn't it? So today we are going to finish this chapter. We are going to discuss the remaining exercises of this chapter, and in the next video we will start the next chapter. So some questions are remaining in this chapter, that is HOTS. Okay, and if you have understood the concept of this chapter, that means you can give some of the higher order thinking level and questions. Okay, that means HOTS. So first question is, can raincoats be made of cotton, silk or wool? So the answer is no. Why? Because I taught you the natural fibers are having pores in between of that, and due to that they can absorb the sweat as well as water also. Okay, and that's why we used to wear cotton clothes or the natural fiber. Okay, why? So that the air can freely circulate and it can absorb the sweat as well as the water also. But whenever we are making the raincoat, that time our purpose is to repel the water, right? We don't have to absorb the water, otherwise what will be the benefit of wearing the raincoat? We used to wear the raincoat in the rainy season so that our inner clothes cannot get wet. Okay, and for that the material whatever we are using in the raincoat should be waterproof. Okay, and natural fibers are not waterproof. Waterproof materials can be synthetic, like nylon. Our raincoats are made up of the nylon. So here is straightforward. Let's proceed to the answer. What the answer is written over here. No, raincoats cannot be made of cotton, silk or wool because these are made up of the natural fibers which absorb water, and that is not required to make the raincoats. To make the raincoat, our material should be water repelling. As you can see, here is the raincoat and water is not getting absorbed but it is repelling, which we require to make the raincoats. I hope you all have understood. Our next question is very easy. Okay, question is asking, why do doctors and nurses wear white uniforms? If you have noticed, doctors and nurses are mostly wearing the plain clothes or the white clothes. Mostly they are wearing the white clothes. Why? The answer is doctors or nurses wear white uniforms so that the dirt can be easily seen. Okay, so white color is absolutely neat and clean, and if any small stain will be there, it can be easily seen. So doctors and nurses are wearing these white uniforms, so whatever stain like blood or the different type of medicines, okay, will fall, so it can be easily recognized and it can be removed from there also. Okay, so that's it. Next we are going to discuss about the different types of clothes that we wear on different occasions. First of all, you don't have to write about this in your copy. Okay, whatever you have to write is short answer question, long answer question and HOTS. This only we have to discuss. You all are knowing our country is rich in culture. Okay, and we can see different types of dresses in our country. Okay, we are having a lot of type of dresses, and this question is asking, what are the different types of clothes that we wear in the different occasion, as we used to celebrate the different occasions in our country also. So we are wearing the different clothes also, right? So as you can see here, okay, Assam people are wearing this red color and the off-white, and the Punjabis are wearing the kurta as well as the suit, and the Kerala Neriyathu and Mundu are worn, and in the same way, okay, the different type of clothes are worn throughout this India. Okay, so I hope you can write in your own language. You don't have to write the complete name of these clothes. Used to only you have to know. Okay, you don't have to describe anything, but you should know about the culture and the different type of clothes worn in our country. Okay, so that's it for in this chapter. This was the last, and in the next class we are going to start the chapter 9. So I hope you all will be ready after reading that chapter. Thank you so much for watching this.